So I'm going to attempt to just cut this. I have not stapled it down all the way, so I'm just going to cut a little edge off here. Most of the edges were just hanging over a little bit, and it's always a struggle because you don't want a lot of space, just raw wood, because that sets up a situation for it to chip off. So I like to have right up to the edge, as you can see here. This is still hanging over a little bit too much, and I have a staple here that I'm going to take out so I can lift it up. I tacked it down because as it moves, you can't really see where the edge is. So I'm going to just finish that, but here you can see I'm just going to crank that in there, and this is still hanging out a little bit, so I'm just going to cut that off and then bang that back down. That's it.